Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together on the count of three. First, second, third, final call. We're selling.
Hello and welcome to the video. Today I am going to show you auction of a house in Australia. I will show you how the auction of the house is done. This is a double story, very nice, very premium 5-bedroom house.
To the furniture as well, all of everything inside there is yours. We just hand you the keys, you settle in 30, 60 days, and this home can start to be lived in. Club Alamora, right down the end of Resort Boulevard. It's a place where the families, first homeowners, younger families, singles, they all meet together, they meet the community, they make friends here. But the lifestyle within the home, that's really where you're going to spend most of your time. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, there's 3 living areas, there's one at the front, there's one on the ground floor where the kitchen is, and there's even another sitting area upstairs as well. That master bedroom that anchors the front of the house. Well, if you didn't think that was good enough, there's another master bedroom to cater for friends, relatives, visiting from interstate, overseas. Well, they've got their own living quarters on the ground floor as well. This house literally is packed with everything, and we wish all of the families the best of luck. We wish them a safe, healthy, prosperous future. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm told that the facade here, the addition of this facade, will value at close to $50,000 in itself. The guest furniture inside as well. Thank you to them as well for donating again this beautiful furniture, valued at close to $70,000. This really is packed top to bottom, side to side. It's a magnificent home. To one young family, maybe to a young couple starting their family, this is a magnificent opportunity. And on behalf of the teams here at Villawood and Henley, on behalf of Oliver Hume as well, to all the tradespeople that make it possible, that sacrifice their time over 12 months of hard work to make this happen, we thank them yet again for their sacrifice. And it all goes to one great place, the Royal Children's Hospital, to support all of us, all of our children, if we're ever in need. It's a magnificent service and a resource we can't undervalue here in Victoria.
Are you ready to start it, mate? Let's do it!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you waited for on behalf of Villawood and Henley, the 2026 Good Friday Appeal Charity House Auction. Let's get it started, shall we? Where do we go? Starting bid, yell it out to me wherever you are. All those bidders here. 900,000, sir, and that's a great start. Give them a cheer, well done. Good luck to the family here. I'll go 950, sir. Come on, be strong. 50 at 950. 950 here, $1 million, sir. At $1 million now. At $1,050,000 we're at all. At $1 million we're bid here now. At $1 million, good luck to the family now. At 1 now, come on, sir. 10, all right, 10, we're moving along at 10 now, 20, sir. Your call. At $1,010,000 we go, at $1,010,000 now, 20 I've got. 30, even better, sir, at $1,030,000, 50, at 50 I've got. At $1,050,000 we are, get it away. At $1,050,000, welcome in, sir. Well done. At $1,050,000. 60, sir, I keep it here, keep you in it. At $1,060,000, well done. At $1,060,000, get the chocolate eggs here. At $1,060,000. Sir, where are you? 80. 70, at 70 I've got here, at 70 now, 80 I've got. At $180,000, well done. 90, 90, 1.1 million. Everything goes to the Royal Children's Hospital. Our buyer is here at the moment at 1.1, 110. 110 now. At $1,100,000 now, we're selling it away. At $1,100,000, your chance to own 5 bedrooms, a magnificent home, 3 living areas as well. $1.1 million now. Sir, come back in. You told me you feel good, sir. Keep the good feeling going. Keep bidding, sir. Come on. At 1.1 now. Once. 110, sir. Welcome back. Good work. Amazing work. 120, sir. 150 might knock him out, so, sir. You want to buy, don't you, sir? There's a hat there. Shree's coming to you. She's saying, what are you waiting for? Here we go. 120. 120. Come on, sir. Come back in. You're almost there. We might be down to 2. at $1,120,000, at $1,120,000. The team at Oliver Hume, they've gone through the furniture, the inclusions, over $1.4 million worth of value. So it is a magnificent home. It's hard to replicate it. It's built, it's done. Quality, the memory. $1,120,000 now. Here's your chance. We will sell to the highest bidder today. Here's your opportunity now. First time we call it away. Don't miss out now. Second time now, 30. Welcome back, sir. Well done. 130, sir. Go to 150 now. 150, well done, sir. 150 now to number 60 here at $1,150,000. Sir, how much do you want it? Go strong. Go to 1.2, sir. Buy this beautiful home. Park it away in the family. It's fully furnished. Where do you get the chance to take the keys and move straight in? $1,150,000. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Wow!
55, sir. Go 55. 55. Well done. 60. Well done. 160 here. Come on, 160. 180, sir. 165. 165. One of you is going to own it. You are right there. You can buy it today. $1,165,000. It's built, sir. It's done. Fully furnished. Think of the headache in getting all the removalists. It's done. Just go and live. Live your best life. Live well here in Alamora Estate. $1,165,000 now. Yes. 76.
5.
Go 70, sir. Go 70. Go strong, sir.
Come on. 6.
Come on, sir.
69.
69. I go. $1,169,000. At $1,169,000 now, sir. Don't let him have it, sir. $1,169,000. Someone go to 1.2. Buy it now. $1,169,000. I know it's an important decision, sir. You've come this far. You're here. You can buy it now, sir. I say the same to you. You are right there. Reach out and grab it, sir. Reach out and grab it. $1,169,000.
I'm asking my friends.
Anything further, sir? First time now with you. $1,186,000. So we're inching our way there. 90, well done. Beautiful picture. 1,190,000. We are down to 2. Maybe 1, 2 is both your budgets or your limit. This is the time to go there. At $1,190,000 at 1.19. $1,190,000 now. Sir, thank you very much for your bidding. To you, sir, I appreciate your bidding as well. And to everybody else now, we sell it. If there's no better bid, sir, have I seen your best today? You're processing it, sir. Hopefully you processed it over the last few weeks, sir, because you're right there. You can buy it now. $1,190,000 now to the family here in front, sir. First time we call it away at 1.19. 1.2 could do it. 91. He's back in. Well done, sir. 91. 91. If anyone else is waiting, don't wait any longer. This is it. $1,191,000 at 191. We bid it away now at 1.191. At 191 now. $1,191,000. So do we go there? Do we stretch? Do we go to 1.2? Otherwise, give me where you need to be. Come on, sir. Remember this moment. Carry that memory with you. $1,191,000. What would you like to do, sir? You've come this far. 500. I'll keep it going for 500. It's all going to charity, sir. Well done. 91,500. 91 and a half. At $1,191,500. Now we bid it away. At 191 and a half. Once it's done, sir, it's finished. It's sold. You'll drive past here and go, I had that chance. 191 and a half now. Thank you, sir. Thank you to your family. Club Alamora down the road, sir. How do you put a price on something that's within walking distance and the heart and soul here in this estate?
95.
95. 195. 195. At $1,195,000, sir. 97, we're almost there. At 97. 1.2 million, sir. There's the bid. At 1.201,000, sir. 201 back here at 201. 201 at 1,201,000. We've got our two buyers here. Who will buy? 202.
Yes.
207. 205, sir. Okay, 205. Just trying to get more to the hospital. 206.
Yes.
And we're back to 207 anyway, sir. 1,206 now. Now you need to contemplate 207 anyway, sir. Are you in at 207? 210. Can we go to 210, sir? 7. 207. 1,207. They're all behind you, sir. The cheer squad's right there. 10. 210. 1,210. Sir, I had a vision last night. 1,222, 222. Till we get there. It was a vision, sir. Maybe, just maybe. $1,210,000 now. Sir, I'm going to give you a moment to contemplate it with the family. We're going to sell it. This can be yours, sir. 11. 1,211,000. Can we go all the two, sir? I had a vision. Can we make it come true? 1,211,000. 1212. At 1212, we bid it away now at 1,212,000. Sold, sir. Are you sure? At $1,212,000. At 212, we bid it away now at 212. Are you sure, sir? Thank you. Thank you to our bidders. No late bids now at $1,212,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together on the count of 3. First, second, third, final call. We're selling. Well done. $1,212,000. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Henley and Villawood, thank you and congratulations to our buyer and their family. Thank you to our underbidders. Have a lovely Christmas and all the very best. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
You did a good job.
Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Well done. Good job.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Well done. Well done. That was fantastic. Thank you.
I'm done.